Our Vacation Countdown app team travels the world several months a year. We also regularly use Amazon to buy our travel products, so it only makes sense that we should share our favorite Amazon travel must-haves. Number 1. The Samsonite Freeform is a solid choice. We have used this suitcase ourselves for 4 years and across 16 countries and counting. Number 2. The Gonex Canvas Duffel Bag is ideal for shorter trips, but it's also a good alternative for a hardshell suitcase. Number 3. After trying over 10 models, our favorite is the NATUREHIKE 18L Packable Backpack. We have used this backpack for years and never travel without it. Number 4. We love compression packing cubes and are fans of this packing cube set by Tripped. Compression packing cubes are the ideal way to organize all your clothing and travel items in your luggage. Number 5. The Gonex Hanging Toiletry Bag gives you ample storage options for both large and small toiletries. Number 6. Every traveler should have travel electronics organizer, which is why we are including the BAGSMART electronics organizer in our list of travel products available on Amazon. Number 7. The BAGSMART Travel Jewelry Organizer is specially designed to hold rings, necklaces, bracelets, and other jewelry items so they remain easily viewable and quickly accessible. Number 8. There are many great travel blankets you can own, but we particularly love the one from Eversnug. It doubles as a pillow and blanket in one. Number 9. The MVLOC Travel Pillow comes in a special ergonomic design with an extra high back and quality memory foam. Number 10. A comfortable travel eye mask is a great way to get some shut-eye any time of day. We love the Alaska Bear Organic Mulberry Silk Sleep Mask. Number 11. If you travel often or are planning a long flight, this portable travel footrest makes your journey less uncomfortable and exhausting. Number 12. Apple did a fantastic job with its Apple AirPod Pro. We love the comfort and sound quality, two of the biggest factors that go into choosing travel earphones. Number 13. We love Revelyst 32 ounces insulated water bottle because it comes with everything you need to stay hydrated on the go. Number 14. A travel food container is another must-have if you want to eat healthy while on the go. Check out this Human Gear Stacks interlocking food container set from Amazon. Number 15. The FORKANIFE travel set make eating while traveling a time of joy instead of an utter mess. Number 16. The FINALSTRAW travel straw is our recommendation for our list of Amazon travel essentials. Number 17. Our favorite pick is the Zero Grid Infinity Scarf for its super soft material, lightweight design, and patented pocket technology. Number 18. We are huge fans of the WANDERLUST travel compression socks. These socks will not only prevent thrombosis, but they will also keep your feet warm and super comfortable. Number 19. This travel neck fan from Amazon is a cool travel gadget that is quickly becoming a powerful tool for helping more travelers enjoy time outdoors. Number 20. We believe travel safety should remain a top priority, and this travel door lock from Amazon goes a long way in ensuring it. Number 21. The Hawatour Portable Elastic Travel Clothesline is our pick for the easiest setup and drying no matter where you are. It has been a true lifesaver for us. Number 22. This handheld luggage scale from LUXEBELL did a fantastic job on a recent trip through Europe. It is accurate and very lightweight, making it easy to travel with. Number 23. We've tried many first aid travel kits over the years, but are particularly impressed with this first aid kit by Protect Life Store. You can never be too prepared when you travel, and this includes having a quality first aid kit. These items were hand-picked and tested ourselves, and we can attest to their usefulness while traveling. Make sure you visit our website vacationcountdownapp.com for the full review of these travel must-haves.